always had a soft spot in my heart for the Hyundai Veloster. Kind of like a little Millennium Falcon. It's an asymmetrical ball of charm. It hasn't sold particularly well, but to Hyundai's credit, rather than killing it, they introduced a new one at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show. The 2019 Veloster still has one door on the driver's side and two on the other side, but the sheet metal has been thoroughly revised with cleaner aesthetics. The 2019 Veloster has a lower roofline. Let's see if I can climb aboard without making a fool of myself. I can. My head is sort of touching, and I'm sort of interrupting this guy's video. I'm sorry. But, yeah, not too foolish. Well done, Veloster. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a camera-based pre-collision system come standard, but buyers can add options like an 8-inch touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a contrasting black roof treatment that I like very much. The more interesting choice, though, is between the standard 147 horsepower 4-cylinder or the optional 201 horsepower 1.6-liter turbocharged engine. A 6-speed manual comes with either engine, but if you prefer to outsource shifting duties, the 2-liter offers a 6-speed automatic, while the 1.6-liter turbo can be had with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The Veloster Turbo doesn't just come with more power, it also comes with a racier suspension tuning and optional 18-inch wheels with Michelin summer tires, except notice these are 17s. This has an automatic transmission. You can't get the summer tires with the automatic transmission. Learn how to drive a manual, please. More interesting than all of that is the fact that Hyundai has launched a high-performance line of vehicles under the N banner. Think BMW's M, but one letter better. The Veloster will be one of the first models to receive the N treatment, which includes unique fascias, lightweight 19-inch wheels, a big spoiler, a sportified interior, a thoroughly reworked suspension, a limited slip differential, and a 2-liter turbocharged engine producing an estimated 275 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed manual transmission with automatic rev matching. So racy. The 2019 Hyundai Veloster arrives in dealerships in the second quarter of 2018, and the Veloster N will pop up sometime towards the end of 2018. The blue and the red, by the way, that's a pretty striking combination, do you think? Yeah, I think.